may dalawang magkaibigan na nagpumilit mag-nature trip kahit alam nilang basa ang mga kahoy na maaari nilang gamiting panggatong. At heto nga ang nangyari sa kanila.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, moving on. There's a place that I dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season, I lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream, you know what I mean. The summer air by the seaside, the way it fills our lungs, the fire burns in the night sky. This life will keep us young, yeah, keep us young.
At gaya nga ng inaasahan, umuwi din sila kaagad kasi wala silang mahanap na kahoy na panggatong.
Par, uuwi kami par.
Basa mga panggatong par.
So guys, uuwi kami. Wala, hindi kami makakagawa ng apoy. Sobrang lakas kasi ng ulan kahapon. So, bawi na lang next time.
Yan ang tunay kong kaibigan par. Sinasamahan ako sa kamalasan.
Take me out tonight.
Sobrang tarik pa.
So, ang choice namin, wala. Uwi na lang. Kaysa magutom doon.
Spot par. Pwede mag-camp.
Because it's not my home, it's their home, and I'm welcome no more. And if a double-decker bus crashes into us, to die by your side is such a heavenly way to die.
At makalipas nga ang ilang gabi at ilang araw na paghihintay, dumating din sila sa puntong natuloy na ang kanilang matagal ng pinaplanong overnight camping. Pero sa pagkakataong ito, hindi na nila kasama yung iba nilang mga kaibigan.
Damn son. Wow. Alright.
Makalipas nga ang ilang sandali, nakarating na din ang grupo sa kanilang destinasyon. Kaya naman, Agad-agad na din silang nag-ayos ng kanilang mga gamit kasi madilim na.
Alright.
We're here again. Ten kumabilyo. Pag-isabitan tayo ng rutata. Medyo ang mga crazy. Kasla ko lang. Kasla. Tama ta. Nag-night radyo vibe na. Datay titingnan.
Yes na eh. Oh. Yeah. And wild though. Damn son. Look at that. Fireflies.
Hindi sapat ang kanilang oras sa mga panahon na yon para mag-video, kaya kaunti lang yung kanilang clips. At pagkatapos nga nilang kumain, kumanta muna saglit yung kanilang singer bago matulog ang kanilang grupo.
And I give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your light. When sooner or later it's over, I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. When everything's meant to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am.
At kinabukasan nga, maagang gumising at umuwi yung isa nilang kasama. Kasi first day of school nila. Samantalang yung apat na naiwan naman ay nagkape muna saglit habang nagkukwentuhan.
Alright guys. Good morning everybody!
On the graves, in the cracks of 1,000 leaves, somewhere in between our past and our future rolling over.
Hindi lahat ng bagay ay kontrolado natin, katulad na lamang ng oras. Minsan may mga bagay na gusto nating gawin, pero hindi natutuloy. Kaya imbes na mapanghinaan tayo ng loob, mas gawin natin lalong positibo. Narinig o nabasa nyo na ba yung burnt toast theory? Yun yung mga bagay minsan na nade-delay tayo. Naranasan mo na din ba yung nagmamadali ka kasi late ka na sa lakad mo? Tapos paglabas mo ng bahay nyo, naalala mo na meron ka palang nakalimutan. Hindi yun basta nangyari lang. Nililigtas ka lang sa mga pwedeng mangyaring masama sa yusdaan. Gaya na lamang nung mga plano namin nung nakaraan. Ilang beses na delay pero hindi na big deal sa amin yon. Hindi na namin kailangang habulin yung oras para gawin yon. Sa madaling salita, kung hindi pwede ngayon, sa susunod na lang. Kasi maaaring merong nakaabang na panganib sa amin sa mga time na yon. Sabi nga nila, kapag nakuha mo yung mga bagay na gusto mo, yun ay God's direction. At kapag hindi mo naman nakuha yung mga bagay na gusto mo, yun ay God's protection.
Slow fall into the Indian Sea, where the cold and the hot meet, and the powers that be. I rise a child again, wake up a wild wind takes me there.
Minsan talaga, mas masarap pa rin kapag kalmado lang tayo. Hindi kailangang madaliin ang mga bagay-bagay. Kasi hindi naman karera ang buhay.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road, all my memories gather round her. Miner's lady, stranger to blue water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road, I hear her voice in the morning hour. She calls me. Radio reminds me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road.